Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking to you about guerrilla marketing. It's a kind of marketing tactic that was coined by a man named Jay Levinson in the early 80s. He wrote a book about it, and it's a book for small businesses to market themselves using guerrilla tactics, guerrilla warfare tactics, on a very low budget to get very big results. In this video, I'm going to show you how, with this company Blendtec's video on Will It Blend, you can take something that is a current trend and combine it with your product or service to create something completely new. That's called the remix strategy. So this video is not only about guerrilla marketing your business, it's all about understanding how to use and using the remix strategy to hopefully create a viral video for your company. So what they did was they took a current trend, which was in this case a holiday, Thanksgiving, and they combined it with their product, which is a blender. In the video, they take a very surprising approach to Thanksgiving and show you how incredibly awesome their blender is. I hope you will take away from this all of the different things that they did. I've marked them directly on the video for you to understand all of the cool stuff that they did to make this video fun, to make it surprising, to make it interesting, to make it unexpected. These are all of the kinds of things that you want to do when you guerrilla market. Watch the video, learn from the video, and then afterwards leave me comments and tell me what you thought about it and how you can use it for your company.
Will it blend? That is the question. Today is Thanksgiving, and we've invited my toothless Uncle Floyd to dinner. In honor of him, we're going to make his dinner his way. Now, Uncle Floyd loves dark meat, so we're going to start with a nice roasted turkey leg. And then, of course, what's Thanksgiving dinner without cranberries and dessert, his favorite pumpkin pie. And, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Nice and warm. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your meal.
Tell me what you thought about it and how you can use it for your company. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get every video that's posted. Thanks for coming and thanks for watching YouTube Bootcamp. I'm Sherry Barbera.